name is Akisha and my cousin China. Cousin slash aunt China.
I'm not your cousin. I'm not your aunt. But okay. So,
you're not old.
No. Yeah, I'm younger.
Yeah, but in the family tradition.
Yeah. Okay, so that's her side. This is my side. That's her side.
Yeah, we're doing a birdhouse challenge. Me and China versus my brother.
But your brother's not painting anything, so nah.
You can use markers to show.
Yeah, you want to use this marker? You can just...
No.
Okay, so let's just show them the colors real quick. So I'm pretty sure these are neons. So this is
neon
neons,
sections
and this is
the
normal.
Okay. Can I try?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, that's just
So what should I draw?
Here, guys, I'm gonna lay out all the colors so you guys can. Oh. I don't think you guys can see it, but
Here, they can
I'm just gonna.
You can show them one by one, and then you place it down.
Yeah. Okay. That's the red,
You can see it kind of.
orange. Oh yeah. You kind of.
What happened to the orange cap?
Yeah, you know, or
Sticky.
but it's still good orange.
What happened to half of the orange?
Orange is a good color, you know. Okay,
If you would have ruined my side, I would have killed you. Like, oh, it's washable, right?
Okay, now help me lay out these colors.
Why isn't it washable?
What?
If you said it's washable.
That's just dust. You're washing dust.
No, there's pink.
Okay, this is the orange. This is the regular yellow.
This is the green.
Yeah.
Keep going. Go fast.
The dark
Neon green. So this is the purple. And then
Go close the balcony door, someone.
This is the pink.
Show them.
This is the
Shine
light
it. You're not
blue.
even. Make sure the camera can see.
And then I'll just get the rest. You start
It's a domino.
This is the black. This is the brown.
Organize it.
This is the brown. This is the white. Okay? Now I'm gonna start with the neon. Okay? Just place them everywhere. It's fine.
Okay, fine.
You know what? Place them in the eye like that. Okay. I'll take the rest.
Orange or yellow.
Why does your brother have the paint in his hand?
Stop. No,
He's gonna ruin it.
that's the turquoise. I need it. I'm
This
not
is
done my side yet.
Neon blue. I'm done with you. Tell him to give it.
Okay, and
Where are your brushes?
okay, and the brown.
Make sure there's no neon in
Where's
here.
the black? The black. White. Amma! Kishala po sa nga nanam shine ang paint pinadam.
Can I have it? Thank you.
Amma! Ano ka po sa nga? Okay.
Which one is this? This is bright teal.
Oh,
No, it goes in here.
No, it goes in here.
No.
It's a neon.
No, it doesn't say neon on it.
But bright is... I think that's gold.
Fine.
It fits.
Okay.
Here, this is neon red, neon orange, neon yellow, neon green.
Sorry. Neon
Teal.
bright teal.
Wait,
And then this is neon blue. Neon. Okay, I'll take. This is neon pink. This
neon purple.
is neon black.
And neon white.
That's it. And then let's just quickly show them. And I don't know if they can see that, but
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
all of the fun. So this is the normal, and this is the neon.
Yep. Let's just do it back.
Don't mess it up. It took us longer. I'll stand right here. And this is the thing if we're painting with our hands. I know it sounds weird, but
Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Sorry.
I'm not sweating. How are you sweating?
No, like the heat.
Can you feel that? Feels like bad to me. I don't get it. So good luck.
Okay.
Splash the water at me.
Okay, now let's just start. Instead of wasting time, right? We gotta.
Okay, this is good luck. Okay.
Okay. I want to use the neon. haven't used the neon red, orange,
Yellow, green.
no, I haven't used
Purple, black, and white. No, you use black.
Ama, Kishala pula sa labing ko. Oh.
Can I sketch out a sunflower?
Here.
Really?
Okay, my cousin's gonna use the blue one. Ama, please, Ama. Please, Ama.
Lock the door then. What are you?
Can you help me walk it? You're strong. You're strong enough. I'm gonna wait for you. Is there something blocking it? Just close it. Just close it.
I locked it.
Okay, just close it.
I actually locked it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
But they probably can open it from the inside.
Yeah.
We're just gonna get started.
Can I start with the teal? He's just jumping around.
What do I
Okay,
draw?
I'm gonna use-
What do I draw?
I don't know. I'm gonna just outline some of it first, and then
This just hit me.
what is?
I can just do. Oh! Sorry.
You got an idea?
I'm gonna do a neon thing. I'm gonna do a neon light. I'm gonna do a heart.
Neon theme.
Sorry, I'm thinking. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna
It kind of look weird when you think.
Are these the same color? Which one's the difference? This one's a darker one.
Wait, are you looking at the reds?
This is the neon and this is the normal.
Use the neon.
No, which one's darker? That's what I'm asking. Because
This one. This one's the
I'm
dark.
gonna have to use both of them.
Oh, are you using like a rainbow on it? Like red?
Sure.
I don't know.
Should I do a rainbow? Yeah, that's much better.
Cool. Just get in here so they can see you.
Hi. Sorry. I'm just taking some time. Here's a neon light.
Let me put away the.
I'm gonna start with
Well,
this.
I think I need the neon. Well, I don't know.
I hear your
I
brother
think
cry.
I'm gonna use this neon pink.
This is scary.
Oh my gosh, the neon pink. So beautiful.
You know what? I'm just gonna start with that too.
I'm gonna go for a like girly.
So Alicia,
neon.
if this doesn't come off,
No, you just put your hand in the water.
I think it looks
Oh,
bad.
that was a good breeze.
I think it looks bad.
Okay, by the way, I'm going for my.
Can this rub off? I need tissue. So I'm sure, are you gonna wear these clothes again?
Yeah.
I need something to wipe this on.
Oh, we should have got a tissue.
Yes! What do you think? Can you go get one quickly?
Do your back. That's what I do.
No, it's
Oh, this looks cool.
that just hit me. That just hit me.
Imagine we did a twin telepathy challenge.
Yeah, then look at me.
Okay, yeah, let's do a twin telepathy challenge starting now. Oh, wait, guys. Let's do a twin telepathy challenge. So the first round, red, orange, or purple. Okay? That's for the first round. I'm going to turn around. Shina's going to pick. Okay? I'm going to close my eyes, turn around. Shina, pick. Quick.
I pick this. Okay, go.
Go. I think Shina picked the orange?
No.
What did you pick?
I picked red. I thought that would be more obvious.
Okay. So, red for you, orange for me. That's the rules.
What?
Yeah, whatever you guess, you get.
You never told me that.
Do you even watch twin telepathy challenges?
Not that much. Can I use black? I just need black right now. Sorry. I know I'm breaking the rules, but I don't care. This just needs to look out good so your brother doesn't kill me.
This is so neon. Like, I'm getting a lot of neon vibes. Like, already. I just started and I'm getting so much neon vibes. Look at this, Shina. Look.
So that's how mine's
Look at this. Nice. It's giving me so much neon
Yeah, it
vibes.
actually looks nice though. If you show them, you can actually see the neon part. Look at that. Super.
In the sun, it looks so beautiful. Okay. How's yours going?
I'm putting mine black on the edges and the other part.
Oh, wait. Let me take off my string so I can do that.
I didn't even have a string.
Oh, because, Kishal, you know, ripped it. Oh, I'm gonna get the purple. Actually, I don't want to do twin telepathy.
Same.
I just want to go. Wait, I didn't use this one yet.
What?
I don't know. The first ones that you didn't use, it comes so liquidy.
That's why this is liquidy.
Oh yeah, I didn't use that black. I used that. Okay.
I think I'm gonna do a rainbow. I'm tired of squeezing this like a million times.
Oh, the sun's going down.
Yeah, I love it, right? When are we going on fishing? Wait, are we walking there?
No, we're going in the car. Obviously. Because we're going to Oshawa.
What?
It's gonna take 48 minutes.
Why are we going to Oshawa when we can...
Oshawa, there's like a lot of fish.
I messed up. Your brother hears... Oh no, he sees me. He's gonna start crying. I feel bad. Is he crying? No, Sunshine, hide this. Keisha.
I feel bad and
Sunshine, it's all your fault. Why did you let me use this?
just do it. I'll tell him, I'll explain to him it's a gift from Shine.
It's his stuff that I'm...
Yeah, customize it. Look, the orange side and then
What color does Keisha like?
he likes blue, black, green, and orange. And white.
Okay, let me ask him.
Oh, and he likes teal.
Let me ask him.
I'm his sister, obviously.
Keisha! Keisha!
Okay.
I need Keisha! Your dad's gonna come. He told your dad. I'm scared of your dad.
My dad doesn't, or he likes it.
Yeah, is that why he calls me? He's just laying down there. What's your dad's favorite? What's your brother's favorite color?
Blue is his number one.
Which one is the blue one? This one's a nice blue one, but like that one's empty. So we're just gonna grab both of these. Yeah. What else?
Green.
Green.
And he likes teal. And black. That's it. You already. Yeah, that's all the colors he likes. I think that's all the boy colors that he likes.
Should we put teal because he has green?
Nah, just put it.
Whatever. Okay. These are the colors that I'm gonna be using because I don't want to make her brother obsessed or upset. So we're just gonna keep going. Yeah.
Check this out. Now I'm getting neon galaxy vibes.
How?
I don't know. Just looking at this black. It's like looking at the galaxy. I don't know how.
What did you do?
Just did that.
How long is this gonna take to dry? Trying not to.
Oh, when we're done, when we come back from fishing, it's good.
Oh, that means it's gonna look cool because it's gonna be hard when it's like what is it called? Like
Dry?
like that.
Oh, yeah. Paint?
Yeah. When it's like thick.
Oh, yeah, paint.
When it has like big dots on it and then it dries. I messed up.
Kishal, Shina's making your favorite colors. Blue, green, and... Kishal,
Don't touch it.
what
that's
colors?
why.
Kishal, Shina wanted you.
Don't.
Kishal, listen. Shina wanted to ask you.
Where'd you touch it?
It's on going on YouTube. Shina,
Where'd you touch it?
Huh?
Where'd you touch it?
wait, on your hand.
Here.
Wait, here. Here.
But there's none of that smudge. Where'd you touch it?
Can you go close the door? I'm not
Can you
gonna
close the
miss
door?
you.
Well, it feels good though. The AC's coming to us. Kishal, the reason I'm doing this, I'm putting your favorite colors. So Kishal told me your favorite colors.
It smells like beef.
Give me your favorite colors and I'll put it on this box.
Yeah. She'll decorate it any way you want.
I'm making a square theme, so every time I'm done with the black, I'm going to put a different color. I'm going to do the same thing that I did. And it's going to be smaller and 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 smaller until it's done. Okay, so done with black now. What color do you want next? Teal?
Yeah.
Teal and black look good, doesn't it? That's Sucky shows. Do you like Sucky shows? So do you want me to do the same box theme or do you want me to do lines? Or do you want me to do the same box theme? Because both of them are going to look like that.
Yep. Same thing.
I have to try to not touch it.
Yeah? Wait, yeah? Kishal, go eat and come back.
No, I
There's
Oh,
no
teal
guys,
left.
I'm done.
There's no teal left.
Trust me.
Yeah, and then if there's not enough, there's not going to be enough for the whole side. Don't. It's fine. It's fine.
Natural.
It's a seed.
It's gonna be
Watery, you said. You know what? It's fine. I'll just do something else.
oh. Natural.
No, I don't want to try. I don't want to.
Are you scared that it out of nowhere?
Oh, wait, let me ask him if he wants dark. Kishal! Do you want dark blue or light blue?
You choose.
I don't know.
I like dark and light.
The teal is broken. That Sucky shop broke earlier.
It was empty.
You want pink?
No. But I like green.
Green?
I told you that's his favorite.
You want blue or this blue? Which one?
Oh wait, can I have the dark?
This
one?
one's light. This one's out. I need this.
Yep.
The dark blue has
adding
more.
here.
Are you excited? I'm excited how this is going.
Have green.
Yeah, green's after.
Let's do all each of these colors.
All of them?
Yep.
Are you sure? You can't go back. There's going to be pink and purple.
Nope. No. You have to get pink and purple out on my way.
Okay, then everything else?
Yeah.
How about this? This is a red, I think. Yeah, this is a red.
Yep.
But it's like pink. But it's fine.
I'll take all the pink.
Okay, then can I start? Can I do the upside down rainbow? Like the black and then the blue and then the different colors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
White and
It's like what I
purple. Oh, there is some white blue left.
Do you want white in it? Okay, then white will be after red because red is like white red. So
Okay, wait. I got a question. What should I do with
do you want brown?
guys? Do you know
Okay,
what
then give me the
I'm
brown
gonna
first
do?
because the brown is in the thing.
For my I promised you guys. For my
new
44th subscriber, I'll give this a birdhouse for free.
Can I be your 44th? Imagine.
1,044 subscribers. No, not
Why
that
is it so
much.
watery?
Yep, just a little. But people say that on videos and I have to do it. They have like. Oh wait, I didn't use the brown one.
So watery.
Okay, what should I draw on here? Use the old black. I'm gonna draw the TikTok label. Can you show me the TikTok label? It's a Z. Wait, it's a Z?
Yeah.
But with color. Wait, can you actually show me the TikTok?
It's actually a Z.
A Z?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I just do a Z?
Yeah.
But you can color it after.
Yeah, you
Make
it, the colors of it is
but
and the colors of it is black, blue, and red. And that's it. You just put the
Do
Z,
it tiny.
you underlined it with
What's
black.
a Z? Oh, you mean in the alphabet?
Yeah.
Okay. But it looks so fancy in the like.
No, it doesn't.
Can I use black? Is this some type of trick?
I might have known. I might have messed up.
Okay.
But people will think you did it. Don't worry. I know that sounds weird, but people will think you did it.
And they think I did that too. Don't mess it up this time, okay?
I'm not.
You say you're good
Guys, stop
artist
talking.
than my sister.
I need to focus. I am. I would have done like a sunflower. But then, oh, Kisho, you want me to do a sunflower on the back of it? I can actually draw a sunflower and make it cool.
And then the other side, can you do a snake?
Yeah, I can draw a snake. That's easy.
Look, look. That's
Sorry, I messed up.
It's okay.
What are you doing?
Yes.
Oh no, I got some paint on you. I'm sorry.
Washing this. Go.
Okay, actually, okay.
Huh? Clean enough? No.
Pick it up before all the water goes in it.
Let me put it beside the dryer. The dryer.
There's no glue in this. All the glue's literally done.
How does it look, guys? You're squeezing it too hard. No one likes it? This is oily. Oh, can I have the dark blue?
Wait!
Uncle, please. I'll give you the light blue for change.
You want to do different? Like this one's light blue and dark blue?
Sure.
Wait, after this, just wait a few minutes.
There's still more.
There's like all the dark blue. Who finished the dark blue? All of it's like most.
Oh, no one used the dark green yet. Wait, you used.
I'm getting to there.
Hey, I need that. Oh. This one.
Did you actually put a Z? Where's the Z?
It's not a Z. I tried.
I tricked you. Don't put. Okay. Look at your dad's mouth.
I'm gonna watch this.
Don't mind the kid in the background. There's a baby.
I'm just 7 years old, so I'm so young.
So you're kind of a kid, but not a kid. You're not a baby.
You're a toddler.
So you should. That was a nice way to put it.
Yep. It wasn't. I'm gonna put it in work. Listen, this is my turn. Just a little bit more. Come on, quick.
Sakisha, Kisha, this is mine. Look, where did the cap go?
Watch.
Can I have a light
I'm gonna
blue?
put it in work. Yep. Listen.
Here, Sakisha.
Ew! Squirt it on my finger.
Who did it?
I just did that. And
Is it all finished?
nope. Still more. You can do it. It's only a little. Wait, at the end of the video, I'm gonna edit it. So Shina, say this. Do this. Mouth words. Trust me, mouth words. Like, do it. I'm gonna play with this. Here, I'll mouth words. A fish. A buzz by me. That is by me. Say it. Huh? Shall I? Yeah.
iPad?
Nope. What? I take a fish. Not arowana or close to arowana. Taller. Oscar? Yep.
Sorry, I don't know what those are.
Those are fish. Those are dangerous.
Kisha!
You can just hold it. Okay, Shia.
Thank you for pouring a lot of
You
water.
messed, like, you barely waste all the paint.
Don't worry, I'm not going to waste it anymore. I'm going to spread it around. Kisha, I might have just wasted the whole thing.
How dare you?
I'm sorry, but that has to stay the same. I feel bad now.
Is that Kisha's?
I didn't wash my hands.
This is all mine. The back looks horrible, but I'm gonna turn it into a spider. spider.
Nah, nah, nah. Who's good at snakes? Me. Trust me, I am. How about my sister?
I am.
They think she is one. What? Did she born like that?
Don't tell them the story.
Okay. I know the story of a little boy. Boy, you cry, boy. Look at me. I'm trying to not waste paint.
This is gonna be our secret logo.
Don't waste. You wanna go be my helper and get me some
Tissue paper?
Yes. I need to wash my hands.
Shana, I'm watching.
Hey, that's brand new.
I know! Don't smudge it in, you know.
You're not gonna make me focus if you're doing that. Sorry, I'm kind of blind. I'm blind. Stop. Uncle, look! Look! Ooh! Who wants a new green? Tell him green.
Who wants me
New. Big boop.
Finger painting is so awesome. Finger painting is so... Okay, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, so yeah.
Wait, Mom. Yes. What, you think that's a stranger?
No.
No, it's Sabrina. I mean, Shina.
Why do you keep on saying Sabrina?
She crushy? No, you
Here,
look
where's
like
the cap? Where's the cap? You're gonna ruin it. Oh yeah, and why do I keep on calling you Sabrina too?
You're ruining yours. Whose is better? Mine. Like, guys, compare that one to this one and this one. I like my sister's better. Those are double.
Have not even.
Where do you want me to put the snake? Here? Okay, I'll try. What's next? Yellow!
Please don't use my yellow.
Stop.
Now let's dehydrate.
What is your brother doing? I just gave him some water and he's already ruining all of it. This is what your brother does to everything that you get him.
I like my brother.
She
4 times 1. We're going fishing when my dad wakes up.
Your dad is awake.
Well, when this video starts.
If you want me to make this clean, stop yelling. I'm gonna spill this water. And get some tissues.
Tissue. Wow, this is one masterpiece. Shina thinks this is horrible, but
I never said that. That's kind of good. Not the other side. This side looks good. Not the other side. Ah! Can you get me the orange? Who's using the orange?
I am.
Party like a rock star. They can see you. We're posting this. Put some shirt on. I'm not naked. I just put a chair. You're so on your head. Stop. Go wash your
Guys, Shina is not gonna beat this.
You just ruined your whole thing.
I'm 7 years old. Masterpiece. Could y'all pass me the water? Or else I'm gonna do it on here. No, my paper. Not paper. What? Whoa. Okay, I have to be honest. That is cool.
What?
Why did you put the light blue's lid?
Your brother did that. Where did the cap go? Shakisha.
Ah? Okay. Kishal, Shina, put caps on things.
Kishal's one that did it.
No, this time I didn't.
Satyam. I didn't do it. Where did you put it then?
Ew, fungus.
Up there. Ew, why did I call you up there? Get up. You're probably on top of
Why are you my atte? I hate atte.
Party like a rock star. like Marty.
Oh, that felt good.
What?
The air.
Oh, you had a little virtual kiss.
Oh, is it cold?
We're using this, right? Or do you want a different red?
I'm using that.
Sorry, I'm just.
Oh no!
What?
We're gonna ruin that. Never mind.
That's what you pay for.
This is pink.
I thought it was. Who said who's wasting everything, Sakisha? Look, she said I'm wasting everything. Look what she just did.
Masterpiece?
But look at the TikTok. It's nice.
That's not even a TikTok
That's
symbol.
not a TikTok symbol.
What is that?
Like, yeah. Stop! I like the coffin dance. How about you?
Coffee.
That's not it. That means you didn't know.
I saw it on TikTok. Don't rub anything on my t-shirt. This is.
I am.
Rub it on your sister's t-shirt.
No, that means you hate China.
That means you hate me.
If you rub it on her.
If you rub it on Sakisha, you love me. And I'll finish your art and I won't ruin it.
Stop! If I rub this on you, you love China.
Ew! Look at the color that it's turning into.
You'll see. Little pipsqueaks.
What did this color?
They're sleep. Little pipsqueak.
I'm not a pig squeak. You are. You're a little pig squeak.
This is beautiful.
You know the song?
Comment down below if you know the coffin dance.
Everybody knows the coffin dance.
But whoever's in TikTok, don't watch this video. There's more names.
I'll put my link in bio. Go follow me at Shelvina6 at TikTok. I want to get famous.
Warning.
She's bad.
This is me. Party like a rock star. Like a mud. What? That's a waste of paint. Perfect. Wasted even more. Ready for your snake design? What was on the back again? You want the snake? Where do you want the snake? In the back?
Yeah.
The back?
And then the side says
Where's the
baby
marker?
eggs.
Can you pass me the marker? I'm gonna put a snake in the back.
And it can color.
Do you want the head? Do you want me to
This
draw
reminds
the
me
head?
of Addison Rae.
Ew! Are you good?
That's how Addison Rae is.
No, she's beautiful. You should see her and then you'll call her beautiful.
No, her TikToks are like this.
Ew, that's much better. She's good at it. You're bad at your TikToks.
She
I
doesn't
don't even do TikTok.
Yes, you do. I'll show your account.
Warning, don't listen to her.
Warning, listen to me. Don't listen to that crazy lady.
That's her iPad, golden iPad.
I have a cooler phone than her.
They want to buy iPhone. Oh, how old are you?
Me?
She's 9 years old and she has an iPhone.
iPhone, a laptop, and an iPad. And earpods.
Only I have an iPhone. Comment down below if you have one. Even if you're 7 years old.
You know, I had my phone when I was 5 years old.
See? That's bad.
Or 4. I don't know.
Again,
That's the snake.
that's weird.
Watch.
I want to see your snake. And then my sister can write the other snake.
Do you want me to paint in the front? What do you want me to color in the paint? Oh, don't.
No, I like that.
Don't.
No. I had to touch mine. No. Don't touch it. Akka.
What? I'm finished. What color do you want the snake to be?
Akka is my sister's better.
Is that a steak?
No. I need to finish the snake, but
That's
I need colors.
big squeak.
I need a
That's
a thing. I need a thin
big
pencil. And then I
snake.
Can you pass
Oh
me the
my
water?
god, the head is a big squeak.
Pass me the water before.
Fine, you want me to draw it bigger?
Stop doing that.
Don't get me wet.
Don't get me wet. Why? Huh?
That was Why do you keep on putting?
Okay, this is...
Stop! Actually, stop.
Woo!
Stop.
Woo! I can go in the pool gonna look. Up in the pool gonna.
Stop! This is how annoying someone is.
This is how COVID-19 started with this girl. Yeah. She watches TikTok. That's what COVID-19. Just kidding. It started because of China.
Don't say that. That's
If you
racist.
say that one more time, I'm telling Donald Trump.
Ew, who likes Donald Trump?
Da, 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 da.
That's
You want me to put,
I'm telling Trudeau.
Do you want me to put? Yeah, Trudeau is my favorite. You want me to put black on the snake?
No, but Trump cares about China.
Don't even talk to me, Trump. What?
What do you want me?
Oh, I have an idea. Should I put stars?
Can you pass me that black?
Where's the marker?
It's right under your butt.
I need it.
Da, 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 da,
Tisha,
da,
go
da,
get it.
da, da, da.
Warning, don't watch this video. From
Tisha, I'm not done yet.
Now draw a squeak on here and there.
Don't ruin it.
My sister's a better drawer.
No, she.
Your head is a big squeak.
I didn't finish it. Wait. I'm better with pencils and letters. Can I tell you something? Do you guys even have a canvas at home? No. So you guys never even learned how to do art. If you guys go to my house and I have a sunflower art piece, that's the better one. So she's doing right now, and this one.
Those are the worst drawings I ever seen.
Okay,
guys,
Miss
Miss
Akisha, my cousin, sleeping over. It's dark. You can't see it. Yeah, it's like really dark.
you can probably see a
It's
little
like
bit of me.
you're covering the camera. That's why. Sorry about that. Here. Hi.
Okay, yeah.
Bing.
That's it. There's Kashaw. I posted the birdhouse video. Go check it down. Okay, so we're gonna sleep. It's like 2. Wait, what time
It's
is
like 1:37.
it? Yeah, that's what she
That's
said.
the
Okay, bye. We're gonna say bye.
Yeah.
I said bye. I said bye. I said bye. Bye. How do you do?
Hey guys, it's morning.
Gotta cover the camera.
Hey guys, it's morning. Hi.
Say hi. I'm so tired of last night. We literally stayed up until 2 a.m. Well, I fell asleep half the time. Well, brought my sister and me slept out like after she was asleep. Now we're gonna go walking. Bye.